Hey YouTube, welcome back to our safe space. It is indiakhalise, and today is the start of a new journey. The purpose of this channel is just going to be focusing in on our mental health, taking care of our well-being, and doing those things that we need to do each and every day, and making an effort to be who we really want to be in life. The old channel really wasn't aligning with who I am now, and this season is all about reinventing, recreating, and speaking into existence the new version of myself that I want to be. I'm calling it our safe space just because I want you guys to be able to just know that you're not perfect, and I'm definitely far from perfect. Today's video is going to be a lot of self-care. I'm just doing the things that I've been feeling like I've needed to do for a long time. I've been in a slump lately, so this is just gonna bring everybody's spirits up. Winter is coming, daylight savings just started, so this is the time where we really need to be tuning into our higher selves and working on ourselves so we can bloom when the spring comes and really start those new year resolutions when spring comes, when everything begins to blossom, not in the dead of winter. The winter is a season of healing and starting over, and that's what this channel is for. So if you're looking for a safe space, here it is. I'm here, I'm ready to grow with you guys. I'm ready for you guys to grow with me, so let's hop into the video. So today we are starting off the morning with a quick little 50 minute gym session. We got a full body workout planned that somebody picked out on TikTok, but I had already seen the video anyway. So yeah, we about to go in there and get that started. And then after that, are we still going to the library? Are you coming with me? You still coming to the library with me? Okay, well, we're going to the library. I don't think I'm going to that BO class today because honestly, I just don't feel like getting it and being irritated with that. I'm not gonna be doing nothing anyways. I'm not going there, confirmed. Not doing it today. Let's get to the gym and get this day started. It's about 8:40 right now. We late, should've been in there, but we was up. We was up last night till like 11 o'clock on TikTok live, so. All right.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I must spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
Yeah. Dead body. Personal trainer K Mike in the building, man. Make sure y'all book y'all courses in the description.
Hey guys, hello. We made it to the library. It is about 11 o'clock now. Came back from the gym, took a shower, ordered some trop. I had a turkey bacon ranch sandwich, I think. So now we're in the library. What you about to work on?
Just YouTube.
I thought you had an assignment.
Just YouTube.
All right, so we got our books that came. Mine came yesterday and he just picked up his today. So this is the book and I'll let you guys know how it is. This is my task. Read a couple pages of this and I gotta work on my essay. And I actually had an assignment due yesterday that I didn't do, so I need to do that today.
Living with nothing to lose. I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you.
What your book talking about?
He's talking about basically their life story, how they moved to Phoenix and like exploring shit.
Okay, yeah, they're already in Phoenix here.
This nigga asking all these questions, trying to figure it out.
Yeah, he said that Jerry spent the next few days writing down his questions. He said that he saved it up since he was a child. So they just meditated. And she said, well, she sat in the room, they changed into their robes, closed the curtains, they sat down, set a timer for 15 minutes, closed their eyes, and breathed consciously. Asked, who's their spiritual guide? So she did it over and over and over again. They did it for 3 15-minute increments. And she said that she felt like numbness took over her body and she couldn't distinguish her toes from her nose. So Jerry and I made the decision to meditate every day for 15 minutes. They didn't miss a day for 9 months.
Damn.
So kind of like a radio signal that you receive on an unconscious level. Okay, that's a better way to think about it. It's not like they're whispering in your ear telling you to do something. It's like, you know how when you change a radio station and it don't work on some stations, you gotta tap into the right one. Hey guys, we're on the way to the park. And Kat came with us because she needed to get some real vitamin D and not just the vitamin D coming through the window. So we made it out and the nigga refused to walk, of course. So he's getting babied. As always. No animals? Shit, Kat, you ain't an animal.
You are a human.
Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how wonderful it looks out here because, you know, it really would have been nice coming here like during the peak of fall, but you know, we was in a slump. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how nice it looks out here though. So pretty. Hey, say hi, little cat.
Oh no, she's pretty submissive right now. She's shy.
Say hi.
Cat, don't act like that.
Aww.
Oh my goodness. Cat, look at this magic. You gotta get this one. Look.
I don't know what it is. She sees something.
Everyone I know, I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been mobbing on the low. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low.
How would you rate your bath experience? All right. How would you rate your mashed potato skills?
Yeah, make sure them bitches don't burn.
All right.
You gotta have the heat on high, pour it in, stir, but you gotta like have one hand on the knob controlling the heat and stirring at the same time, making sure it don't overflow. You feel me? Because then you might not have enough water in there. So then you gotta come over here, water in, back on the stove to make sure it cook right. Because best believe it's easy to fuck up some good mash.
So this is what you call good mashed potatoes. And this is some good thighs. And here is a plate. And 3, 2, 1. All right. Anyways, about to wind down tonight. But yeah, gonna brush my teeth and then put on this face mask.